Boo! I have something for you. Hurry! Ta-da! Ta-da!
No way. Where did you get that?
Secret.
You're kidding.
Oh, enjoy. You have to unbox it.
It's just what I wanted, and the black one and everything. How did you know? How did you hide it?
Yeah, put it in Bree's room.
Wow. Look at that. Oh, man. Thanks.
Should open it.
I have to get a knife to be able to open the seals and stuff. Hang on. This is the best birthday present ever. I feel like a teenagers when they got their birthday presents. Considering like I'm not really a teen. I want to save the box and everything actually. Alright, I'll just cut the seals. That's one. It's awesome. I love it when stuff is like all sealed and it's brand new. Brand spanking new.
What do you call that, Aussie?
This one's an Ecto. It's they're actually meant to have a really, really good review in terms of crawling because of the center of gravity, and this one's actually really awesome because you see that, right? It comes black, but what you do is you get a bit of light emery, right? Which is sandpaper, very, very fine. And if you rub it, it's underneath, it's actually been painted this undercoat brown, and on the top the black, so you can make it look aged. So actually when it comes out of the box, it's all black. So you could leave it that way and just let it get scratched up naturally, or you can age it yourself.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, it is pretty awesome. So I've wanted these for ages. You know, these ones at the moment, there's, I don't know, like just only a handful of shops that have got them actually. So how did you get it? What did you do?
AliExpress.
Wow. All I can say is wow. Wow. I think there's another. Did I do these ones? Yeah, I did that one. I did that one. So that means, oh, there's one there. Gosh, there's like seals everywhere. So this one will open. So let's get rid of this knife so I don't cut myself. Oh, man. Look at that. I love the way they do the box itself. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that would, maybe that you meant to make that box into like a feature or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's have a look. Oh, she comes. Oh, I can see it. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, it smells like,
That's so nice.
it smells like a new car. Oh, wow.
Dun 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 dun.
Remember the box, right? On the inside, it's a barn.
Red.
See? So I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure like you turn the box inside out and you got yourself a barn. That's so cool.
Keep it.
Yeah, of course. And then what else we got here? We've got a bunch of stickers.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
And obviously the instructions. So we have to look at that. These ones apparently have got.
That's so nice.
I know, it's awesome. I love it. I love it. Oh, look at this, accessories as well. So that's the battery tray. I think they give you that because these have like an overdrive. So the front wheel and the rear wheel spins at slightly different speeds, which when you're doing crawling and that helps. So and then they give you another gear as well because I've seen that online. You've got body mounts, post mounts. I have to look and see what all this stuff is. That looks like servo. Well, there's the other gear there as well. Lots of spares. I like it. Remote control. So welcome to your new home, buddy. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I like that. What do we got there? Throttle, steering trims. We'll have to set all those. They look like they're not set. Very nice. That's nice too. Like it's got a nice soft thing there. I'm guessing I'll have to calibrate that. So I'll have to look up and see how to do that. So how many channels is this thing? 3 channels. Okay. Alright, what else we got in here? Okay, so I'm guessing that's for syncing, which hopefully we won't need to do. So we'll keep that aside. Let's get this thing out so we can look at it. Oh wow, it packed really well. Ta-da!
Right.
Wow.
You should see.
It's a lot bigger than I thought. Like it's 110, but I didn't expect it to be that big. It's actually quite a good size. Oh, look at that! We're peeling off the newness forever. Ta-da!
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah. Wow, that's really nice. Obviously, I'll put a winch over there, and tires feel nice. I wonder if it's, oh no, she's just in there, so it just lifts out.
Keep that so you put it there.
Yeah, in the living room. Yeah, true. Wow. That's sweet as. Really nice. Suspension's nice. Feel that. Nice suspension. And apparently there's like a few little mods you can do to prove it. I wish they had a proper grill. That's the only thing, like, I wish they didn't put like a sticker there. But I'm sure someone will do something aftermarket, like a 3D printed one that you can actually put in there. That would have been nice. But the roll bar and stuff over here is really cool. Let's see what's underneath. Let's undo our body pins. Yeah. Oh man, they're tight. 1, 2. Take these off. That's pretty cool to protect it, but again, you want it to look weathered anyway, so if it gets scratched, it gets scratched. Oh man, they're tight. I don't think this one came with a battery, but I might have a shorty battery which I can use in it. Ta-da! Yeah, so it takes the shorty there. Oh yeah, a few extra auxiliary channels. So I'm guessing, because it doesn't look like it has any lights and stuff, so you could probably add some lights and stuff to it if you wanted to. Wow, it looks really nicely made. It's actually quite light. That's so nice. Very nice. I'm pretty sure I got a shorty battery. So that's using T-plug. I have to look and see what these are. Maybe that's like, maybe you can program the ESC. I have to read all the instructions. Alright, let's see if I've got a battery for this. Oh, I'll have to get batteries for the controller. Maybe I'll read the instructions. It was made for this occasion. Okay, I'll have to charge this sucker up. It probably has a little bit of charge in it. Alright, what have we got here? Positive, negative. I haven't used these little shorties before. So
10 minutes now.
okay, you can pause it if you want and just cut.
Yeah, because I'm just posting this whole because you know I can't do it.
Editing.
Yeah.
That's alright. Does that fit? Oh yes. I'm happy about that. So let's see. This fellow goes over there. Goes through there. That goes there. How cool is that? That fits perfect. Now the only thing I have to do, because some of these ESCs will automatically sync up. I'm just hoping that this one will auto sync. I'll have to get, oh, is that on? Is there not an on and off switch? I don't know. ESC. I can't see. Just goes straight through there. Maybe there's no on and off switch. You just plug it in and go. Alright, let me get some batteries for this. How long does this take? For maybe I'll have to use those batteries that we have down there. Or are they buried? Go. Oh, there they are. Come out. Just need 4 of these. It's the best birthday ever. Don't worry, we'll get some better batteries for you later, but just for now, just to do a quick startup. Let's see. So we want positive. Negative. Positive. And negative. And that's all in. Let's see what it does. Hopefully she doesn't. I better hang on to it. Just actually, because these are not calibrated, so I have to be careful. Where's the on and off? That's our on off there. And then let's. I think I might have synced. I'll have to go through all the little nuts and stuff, make sure everything's tight. I'll go through the diffs, make sure they're properly greased and stuff. But I don't know, I'll have to read up on these because it looks like they're not that set up, but these ones I wonder. Let's put this on and just give it a quick, I have to give it a quick run. Come on, pal. Am I doing this right? That's my pins. Now they go through sideways. Put one there. I'll just leave the back ones off for now. Look at that. That's how slow you can crawl it. And I haven't even adjusted anything yet.
Maybe you don't need to just.
Nice steering. Shall we get a bag of rice?
Yeah. So, we need to wrap this up.
Yeah, I have to get my bag of rice. Come on, man. Oh, look at the articulation. Now, is that controlled? Like, see, I can't do that kind of control with the other ones, right?
Mm.
How slow is that? That's amazing. What if I want to go backwards? Thank you. You're the best. Happy birthday to me.
How old are you?
We can't say.
Let's say bye.
Bye.